Okay, you're going to be using the information given to mark the diagram with any additional congruency you can determine from the diagram. Then complete the triangle congruency statement and give the reason for the triangle's congruency. So for the first one, we have angle 1 is congruent to angle 3 with one curve. Angle 2, so let's do that, 2 curves, is congruent to angle 4, 2 curves. This is an angle, this is an angle. We can get a side by using the reflexive. So we can say this is congruent by the property of ASA. We want it in the order of ABC, so it's A, then the one curve, then it goes to the 2 curve, A, B, then C. So from this one, it will be from D, C, then B. It has to follow that same statement. Okay, we have ABD is congruent to CBD, so let's mark that, one curve, that's with an A. ADB is congruent to CBD, so that is 2 curves. It's also another angle. All right, this is shared, reflexive, so that is a side, so we can say this is congruent by angle, side angle. We want the order of ABD, so it's A, B, then it goes down to D, so the other one has to match, CBD, CBD. Let's look at 3. G is the midpoint of both FB, so this is congruent, and EA, this is also congruent. Then we have angle G is congruent to angle G by vertical angles. So this is congruent by SAS. So it goes from the order of ABG, A, B, then G. So this is what's going to be EF, then G. Number 4, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. That's an angle. CD is congruent to AB. This is a side, right? Yep. And this is reflexive, so that's another side. Side angle side, so it is congruent by side angle side. ABC, so it's A, B, then C. That's going to match up with D, C, and then B. Triangle D, C, B.